Welcome back folks. On today's video we're going to talk about the most important thing, water. Clean water to be precise, and the ultimate goal of being permanently off grid. The one thing we are lacking at the moment is the ability to go and get water from an alternative source to a campsite. Now even in that case, if you're in Europe, you may find that some of the campsites, whilst they produce clean water, may not be suitable for the palate of the average person from England. By using the Lifesaver Jerrycan, it enables us to purify the water to make it safe for us to drink. The only thing we can't do with this item is seawater. Let's open up the box and see what we get in the starter kit. Here we have the first item, which is the jerrycan itself. You have the filter and filling point, and then you dispense it out through the tap on the other side. It's literally a case of just pumping the pressure up, and then you just turn the tap on. Also included in the starter kit is the shower hose, so you can use this as an outdoor shower, or use it so you can, as we're going to do, fill the tank in the van. Also included are replacement filters. So the next thing to do is go and fill this with water. Let's head over to the filling point. Let's excuse the generator that's running in the background, but it's what it is, I guess. Right, so we take the top off, just add the water in here. Replace the top and return to the van. We're now back at the van and I've completed the first flush through of the jerrycan. It does recommend that you fill it up, leave it for 10 minutes and then empty. I've completed that process and I've refilled it, ready to go and put the water into the van. Now it's just a case of attaching the hose, but first of all I've got to put the O-ring onto the outlet tap. So the next bit is to add the O-ring into the groove on the outlet tap. Just slot that on there, like so. That is now ready for the hose to go on. Now it's just a case of pumping it up 15 times to get the pressure up in the chamber. Locked off. And as you see, we managed to get the tank up in place on top of the spare wheel, ready so we can run this over to the water line. Just a case of open it up. A little bit of flow. Right, reach into the tank and fill the tank. Happy days. And there we go, that is the jerrycan emptied. I think it's about 18 litres into the van in about 13 minutes. That was through the nozzle head itself. I have noticed you can separate this and it may be slightly quicker without having to go through the restriction of being a shower head to fill the tank. So we're going to do another one and we'll see how we get on. And the conclusion is, it's about 10 minutes, maybe 11 minutes by taking the shower head off the end of it. So it is a little bit quicker. Certainly more convenient because you don't have to hold the trigger in. So let's talk about some of the technical details. Firstly, it's got a capacity of 18.5 litres and will purify up to 20,000 litres of water. It removes 99.99% of viruses, 99.99% of bacteria, 99.99% of cysts, and 99.999% of microplastics. It has a replaceable filter and cartridge. It also features a fail-safe technology, but when the filter gets to the end of life, it will no longer allow you to pump any water. It also requires no electricity or any chemicals. And as you can see, it's a great addition to the van to enable us to have good, clean drinking water. And it costs 0.01p per litre it produces. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I will also include a link where you can go and pick yourself up one of the Lifesaver Jerrycans. I'll also include a discount code. If you did enjoy the video, please hit the like button. Also don't forget the subscribe button and notification bell to hear when the next video goes live. See you in the next video.